If you've ever felt left behind in life, this Bible verse might change how you see your season. Have you ever looked at someone else's life and thought, Lord, why does it seem like they have so much more than I do? I've been there too. Then, during my Bible reading today, I came across the story of manna in Exodus 16, and it completely shifted my perspective. God provided manna from heaven for the Israelites every single day for 40 years until they arrived at the borders of Canaan, the promised land. Some gathered a large and some gathered a small amount. And in verse 18, it says, But when they measured it out by the omer, he who had gathered a large amount did not have too much, and he who had gathered a small amount did not have too little. They so gathered that everyone had enough to eat. That verse made me pause. From a distance, it looked like some had more than others. But in God's eyes, each person received exactly what they needed for that day. And I couldn't help but wonder, how often do we compare our lives with someone else's without knowing that God is giving each of us different portion for a different purpose? Maybe someone else has more influence. Someone else has more resources. Someone else seems to be living the life you've been praying for. But God isn't writing the same story for everyone. The portion He has entrusted to you is enough for today's assignment. He knows what you need. He knows what you are ready for. And He knows what would help you fulfill the purpose He has prepared for your life. So the next time comparison tries to steal your peace, remember this: God has never asked you to manage someone else's portion. He simply asks you to faithfully steward your own. Trust that today's provision is enough for today's journey. Sapat ang biyaya niya sa bawat araw. And when tomorrow comes, His grace will be there again. His grace will meet you again. Maybe peace doesn't come from having someone else's portion. Maybe peace comes from trusting that God never makes a mistake with yours.